Hi friends, Amanda here from the Business Finance Coach on YouTube, and I help self-employed business owners master their money and grow their business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch up your accounting records when you use cash, meaning your customers or clients might pay you in cash, or you use cash to pay for your business expenses. And so ultimately, the records you have to get caught up in your accounting are paper documents like receipts. So in this worksheet you see here on the screen, catch up cash records. This is from a new spreadsheet template I'm giving away called Accounting Setup and Catch Up. And just to clarify, if you have receipts from using a debit and credit card, which are primarily used for business, be sure to check out my next tool in my next video called Catch Up Bank Statements, because you should probably use that technique first. This is for when you really don't have a bank or credit card account to use to catch up your records, and so instead you have to use your paper documentation. So what this template allows you to do is you can label each column here according to your account categories that you have for your business in your paper records. And this first section of 2 columns is for your earnings, any income or payments you receive. And you can just use 1 column if you like. You could have more than 2 as well. And the second section you see here to the right is for your business expenses. So the first step here is to really take all of your paper documents and sort them. And if you have them already sorted by month, or you want to sort them by month, then be sure to check out my monthly spreadsheet templates that I talk about in other videos. However, this method on this template may be faster for many people that have their documents organized by category, or that haven't already organized them by month, as that can be more time consuming. So go through your paper records and make sure you have all of your records for when clients pay you in one pile. Then go on to your receipts for spending and organize piles by the categories of types of business expenses you have. So you can use as many or as few categories as you like. I included the tax categories here across the top, and you can check out a full listing here on the next worksheet. So these categories are from the self-employed tax form Schedule C. You can click a link here to check those out as well, but they're exactly listed here. Now, so it's common for self-employed workers to only use a few of these, like I set up along the top here: advertising, supplies, and vehicle-related expenses, office expenses, and miscellaneous. Now, you can change any of these account titles or categories by clicking in the cell and then typing whatever category you want to use. You can add columns to the right as well. And all you do is list all of your amounts for each category in the column. So you may want to take a pile of receipts for supplies and just enter the amounts and check off each receipt after you enter it. And then you can see along the bottom, the totals are being summed for each column. And of course, usually you want to keep more detailed records than this, but this is an easy way to get all your totals. And you can add as many rows as you like by selecting on the left the rows, the number of rows you want to insert, and then right-clicking and selecting Insert Above. So then once you have your totals, you can come over to this summary income statement page that I have, and you can hide all of the months that have passed that you're catching up in one column. And so I'll change this to January through September 26th, today's date. And then you can simply press equals in each cell for each type of income and each type of expense. And then click the tab on the bottom to go over to the catch-up cash records and select the total and press enter, and then that will automatically link over to this summary sheet. And then I'll see you in the next videos where I'll go over how to catch up your records with a bank statement and also maintaining your records as you go. All right, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below if you have questions, and be sure to subscribe for more. See you next time.